family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Yes, I know. It's actually been I could say probably a whole month since I've uploaded a regular video. Yes. But y'all, I have been doing shorts. So check out my shorts on my page also. So check those out. But I have been doing couponing. I have been couponing. I just haven't been uploading the videos. I'm sorry, y'all. Things have been just in the way, and I've been doing things, and y'all know sometimes I have my grandbaby. So it has been a lot going on. So, but I have been couponing behind the scenes. Haven't been bringing you all no video because by the time I coupon, the week is up. So I was doing a little bit of 5 off of 25s, but I've been going here and there on the Saturdays. So yeah. And like I told y'all in my other video that I was doing also cold processed soap. I'm making that. And then also as my business. So I've been doing that too, you all. So check that out. And my website is Chere'erBoutique.com. The link is in my description, so check that out. But also check out my shorts. I've been doing shorts, and also y'all been on TikTok, so check TikTok out too. And on the TikTok, you want to go on to Chere'er Boutique. That's what I got for my on my TikTok. Check that out. Check out that too on my TikTok. So let me stop rambling and everything and go ahead and get you all this video, okay? So, y'all, I went into the store. I was like, I had been seeing certain things that could be on a low out of pocket. And this is a low out of pocket. It's not on the low, but it's the low out of pocket. But first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. But today is just on the low. All right, so 5 and below used to be on the low. So, but you can't do 5s no more, really. It's every now and then you can do 5s and below. And you'll just probably have maybe 1 or 2 items. But today is on the low. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So the first thing, y'all, this Downy Rinse and Refresh is so good. Now, I never tried this scent, the Fresh Lavender. This is my first time ever going to try this scent. But the other scent, I think it's cotton something. I forgot what it's called, but it smells good within your clothes. Yes, you use this like a rinse on the rinse cycle. Like it says, rinse and refresh. Yes, I love it. So I had to get this bottle. This is the 25.5 ounce. We usually have the big bottles. Now, this is $6.95. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing is this Swiffer duster kit. Now, I don't know how long this glitch, I can say this is a glitch on here for this Swiffer. I don't know if it's going to hold up until Saturday. Today is Wednesday. So, usually time by Wednesday or Thursday, they've been and got the glitches and cut it off. But as of right now, I not too long went to the store. And let me see, what time was it? It doesn't say the time on here. But anyway, you might just scan it just to see if the coupon is attaching. The Swiffer, you want the Swiffer Dusters Kit, okay? And it's Gain, okay? It is $5.50 in the store that I went to. There is a $4 off digital coupon that's only making it $1.50, okay? So that is really cheap for this. So, we usually get just $2 or $1, but this time is $4. So if you got multiple numbers, you might want to go ahead and use them up. If you want to try to use one for Saturday, which I'm going to try to see if one of them could be for Saturday, but we will see. So, like I said, $5.50. There's a $4 off digital coupon, making it just $1.50. All right, so y'all, this right here, this Dove Men Plus Care Clean Comfort is for the body, face, and wash. So face wash. So it's the micro moisture. This is $2. There is I think it's a $3, but I think it was a $3 off digital coupon, but it discounted it only for $1.99, y'all. It did not give me no overage. I have a old store, so with the old receipt, but it discounted for $1.99 on that $3 off digital coupon. So it just made it a penny. I believe it was a $3 digital coupon it was supposed to be. But anyway, this was a penny, and hey, that's great. Then the last thing, these Febreze plug warmers. This is the one with the low level indicator light. It is back, and it is $3.25 with a digital coupon of $2.30. You know, last week we had this, I believe. Yeah, we had it last week, and then now we got it again this week. So we got the same digital coupon on there. Okay, so after she rung everything up, I put my number in. Y'all, my subtotal was $6.41. Yes, $6.41. You can't beat that. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. Let me show you my receipt. All right, so there's the Swiffer. There's the Downy rinse. There's the Febreze plug warmer. And then there is the Dove Men, which is in the trial size. It's in the trial. If you want to look for it in the trial. Then there's my subtotal, $6.41. You know, everybody's taxes is different. And then look at my total savings, $11.29. Now, if you want to try and save these two for Saturday, if you can, that'd be fine. Really, all four of them, because I'm going to try it again Saturday. I'm going to go to, I can go to the one that is closer to my home. And they had a lot of these items for me to do the 5 off of 25. Today's just Wednesday. Hopefully nobody else tries to go back and do anything. I hope not. But this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming back. Miss Nanda's Child.